We're driving into Tarramor. This is the entrance into the community. Very long, elegant entrance. And then here I'm going to be touring the Daphne, so you can get a feel of what the Daphne looks like. So, very long entrance. I'm not going to keep you here the entire time. I just wanted you to see what it looks like when you first come in here. Just so you see how the houses look like. They got a little more space in between the neighbors, more than the promenade. The promenade was very tight-knit when I drove through it. And this is the clubhouse right here. Hope you can see it properly. But that's the space between the homes. So now we're gonna go down to the models and take a look at those. Here's the exterior of the Daphne. It's one car garage there, and here where you have these glass doors, this would be the other two garages. Leading down to the laundry area. Under staircase storage. And it just stops right there. Extra storage or closet space. This is the laundry. This door leads to the two car garage. So coming back around, here is the kitchen area for the Daphne. Dining. Coming around to the living space. Staircase, this is where we came from. The formal dining. So we'll just head down here. So this leads from the dining area into here. Extra storage. This is the pantry. So now we're heading down to one of the rooms. Sink, tub, walk-in shower with the rain faucet, a regular faucet built in for your shampoo and soap, and a bench. Pretty big shower. You can walk in here. So you can see I'm walking in. And I have all that room. Separated sinks. Water closet. And a large closet. So that was the first floor. This seems to be the only bedroom. So now we're going upstairs. So this is what you see when you reach the top of the staircase. It's a loft area, which they've turned into like a nice chill spot with a pool table. This is laminate wood flooring. Here is bedroom 1. With a reach-in closet. Here's the Jack and Jill. 2 sinks. shower. Shower and water closet combination. This is the other bedroom. Leads back out. That's where we came from. Downstairs. But coming across, so we have the pool table there, 2 bedrooms, Jack and Jill bath. We have another living space. Pretty cool living space with a balcony. Overlooking your view. Whatever view you decide to have. That's what you see from this end. Heading back across. Closet storage. Here's your air handlers. 2. Down here you have 2 more bedrooms and 1 more bathroom. Also another reach-in closet. A full bath with 2 sinks. And then the other bedroom. Also with a reach-in closet. So none of these extra rooms have a walk-in closet per se. So 4 bedrooms upstairs, a loft, and another bonus living room space. Now we are at the backyard. They have a grill and a nice pool with a tub right there. So just give you an idea of the size of pool that you can fit on a lot. This particular lot, but hopefully there's other lots that are similar.